Welcome back to Automobile's Car. The 2025 Lexus RX marks a bold evolution in the world of luxury SUVs, combining dynamic design with cutting-edge technology. Lexus has refined this iconic model into a visually striking and highly functional vehicle. Today, we'll focus on its exterior design, performance, and features, offering a closer look at what makes the RX truly stand out. The front of the 2025 RX is dominated by Lexus' signature spindle grille, which has been reimagined for a more angular, aggressive stance. The grille's contours are complemented by sleek, slim headlights that feature signature L-shaped daytime running lights, giving the front end a modern, sophisticated look. This design evolution speaks to Lexus' commitment to combining luxury with performance. From the side, the RX boasts a sculpted, athletic profile. Its flowing lines create a sense of motion, even when stationary. The vehicle's lower stance and wider wheelbase contribute to a more confident road presence, enhancing its performance while maintaining a smooth, refined silhouette. This shape also helps improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency. The wheels on the 2025 RX are another standout feature, with options ranging from 20-inch alloys to even larger, sportier wheels. The intricate designs of these rims elevate the vehicle's visual appeal, with finishes that add a touch of elegance, while maintaining a robust, performance-oriented look. These wheels are not just for style, they're engineered to provide superior handling and stability. Moving to the rear, the RX's design continues its bold theme, with sleek LED taillights that stretch across the width of the vehicle, providing a sense of width and sophistication. The rear hatch has a more angular, sculpted design, and the addition of a subtle rear spoiler enhances both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The overall design emphasizes a harmonious blend of sportiness and luxury. The 2025 Lexus RX is a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Every curve, line, and angle serves both form and function, ensuring this luxury SUV not only looks great but performs beautifully on the road. Whether you're looking for style, efficiency, or a pure driving pleasure, the RX delivers it all with its striking exterior design. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and updates on the latest models.